Most $30,000 cars may look sleek, reliable, and modern, but the truth under the hood might shock you. Some are ticking time bombs with hidden repair nightmares and sky-high maintenance costs. Today, we're revealing 15 smart and safe picks that give you the best value for your money in 2025, and which cars to stay far away from. Before you spend a single dollar, watch this. Your wallet, and your sanity, will thank you. With a $30,000 budget, you can buy many great cars. However, I don't prefer the premium segment due to the potential for unnecessary costs. Instead, I opt for newer, more affordable, and comfortable cars. The list I'm presenting today is not a ranking but a series of options. When choosing a car, there are several important factors to consider. These include the car's age, mileage, engine type, transmission type, and equipment packages. Additionally, you should take into account maintenance costs and fuel consumption. I recommend the Hyundai Elantra with a 1.6-liter MPI engine. This model was produced between 2019 and 2020 and is a facelift version of the old body style. The car can be found with the style equipment package and low mileage. Advantages of this model include an automatic transmission and compatibility with LPG. The Hyundai Elantra's 1.6-liter engine provides sufficient power for daily use. The automatic transmission offers a comfortable driving experience in the city. LPG compatibility reduces fuel costs, making it an economical choice. The style equipment package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The LED-lit version provides better visibility at night, enhancing safety. Price range, $18,000, $22,000 images of the Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20 with a 1.0-liter turbo engine is on my list. This model was produced in 2021 and later and comes with a CVT transmission. Available with the Style or Style Plus equipment packages, this car is one of the options you can get with a $30,000 budget. The Hyundai i20's 1.0-liter turbo engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The CVT transmission enhances driving comfort, offering a smoother ride. The Style Plus equipment package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The sunroof creates a spacious feel inside the car. Different rims and headlights give the car a more sporty and stylish look. Price range: $20,000, $25,000. The MG4 Comfort is among the electric car options. This model has a 51 kilowatts battery and has earned my approval despite not having a heat pump. The car features an adaptive driving assistant. Although it lacks a rear-view camera, the MG4 Comfort's 51 kilowatts battery provides sufficient range for city driving. The adaptive driving assistant enhances driving safety, offering a more comfortable ride. The lack of a heat pump can reduce battery efficiency in winter. However, the car is generally efficient and has low maintenance costs. MG4's sales strategy may have shortcomings in offering newer models to customers. Price range: $25,000, $28,000. The 2023 facelift version of the Opel Corsa E has a 51 kilowatts battery and a range of 200 miles. This model features a heat pump, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a rear-view camera. The Opel Corsa E's 51 kilowatts battery provides sufficient range for city and highway driving. The heat pump increases battery efficiency in winter, offering a longer range. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel enhance driving comfort in winter. The rear-view camera assists the driver in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The front-wheel drive Opel Corsa E offers better traction in winter conditions. Price range: $26,000, $29,000. The Peugeot 208 with a 1.2-liter PureTech engine is available with 100 or 130 horsepower options. This car can be purchased with Prime and Allure equipment packages and has a mileage range of 20,000 to 45,000 miles. The Peugeot 208's 1.2-liter PureTech engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The Prime and Allure equipment packages add extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. Frequent use by rental companies indicates the car's durability and low maintenance costs. Trigger and oil pump issues can be prevented with regular maintenance. These problems can be resolved with maintenance at 25,000 to 30,000 miles, price range $19,000, $23,000. The Opel Insignia with a 1.6-liter 136 horsepower diesel engine comes with the Cosmo Elite Equipment Package. This car can be purchased with around 90,000 miles and is among the models I recommend for those looking for a spacious car. The Opel Insignia's 1.6-liter diesel engine provides sufficient power and torque for long trips. The Cosmo Elite Equipment Package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. Purchasing this car with around 90,000 miles makes it a more economical option compared to low-mileage models. Regular maintenance of the diesel engine extends the life of parts such as the EGR, turbo, and injectors. Neglecting maintenance of these parts can lead to serious engine problems. Price range $15,000, $18,000. The Volkswagen Passat B7 is available with a 1.4 TSI engine and DSG transmission options. I find this car more comfortable than the Opel Insignia. Although the Insignia feels more spacious, the Volkswagen Passat B7's 1.4 TSI engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The DSG transmission enhances driving comfort, offering a smoother ride. The car's better comfort compared to the Opel Insignia indicates superior suspension and sound insulation systems. The rarity of low-mileage models suggests the car's durability and low maintenance costs. The efficiency of the 1.4 TSI engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. Price range $20,000, $24,000. The Renault Megane with a 1.3-liter TC engine is available with Joy and Joy Comfort Equipment Packages. This car can be purchased with around 60,000 miles and is among the models I recommend. The Renault Megane's 1.3-liter TC engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The Joy and Joy Comfort Equipment Packages add extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The Joy Comfort Package's large screen and digital climate control enhance driving comfort. Purchasing this car with around 60,000 miles makes it a more economical option compared to low-mileage models. The efficiency of the 1.3-liter engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. Price range $21,000, $24,000. The 2022 Renault Clio is available with Icon or Evolution Equipment Packages. I find this car comfortable and stylish. The Renault Clio's 1.0-liter engine provides sufficient power for city driving. The Icon or Evolution Equipment Packages add extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The electromechanical parking brake assists the driver in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Ambient lighting creates a spacious feel inside the car. The 2022 model is equipped with newer technologies and equipment, making it a preferable choice. Price range $22,000, $25,000. The Skoda Scala is available with the Elite Equipment Package. This car can be purchased with 50,000 to 55,000 miles and is one of my former cars. I consider it one of the most comfortable and newest cars in its segment. The Skoda Scala's 1.5-liter engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The Elite Equipment Package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. Purchasing this car with 50,000 to 55,000 miles makes it a more economical option compared to low-mileage models. The efficiency of the 1.5-liter engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. The Skoda Scala's status as one of the most comfortable and newest cars in its segment provides advantages in terms of driving comfort and technological equipment. Price range $23,000, $26,000. The Toyota Corolla is available with the Advanced Equipment Package or a 1.8 hybrid engine. I find this car well equipped but expensive. The Toyota Corolla's 1.8 hybrid engine provides sufficient power and efficiency for city and highway driving. The Advanced Equipment Package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. Purchasing this car with 80,000 to 90,000 miles makes it a more economical option compared to low-mileage models. The long-life batteries of the 1.8 hybrid engine reduce maintenance costs, making it an economical choice. The Toyota Corolla's high price may be due to its high-quality materials and technological equipment. Price range, $24,000 to $28,000. The Volkswagen Golf with a 1.0-liter TSI engine is available with a DSG transmission and Midline Plus equipment package. I find this car's comfort features excellent and the 1.0-liter turbo engine efficient. The Volkswagen Golf's 1.0-liter TSI engine provides sufficient power for city driving. The DSG transmission enhances driving comfort, offering a smoother ride. The Midline Plus equipment package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The car's weak equipment makes its price more economical. The efficiency of the 1.0-liter engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. The Volkswagen Golf's excellent comfort features provide advantages in terms of driving comfort and technological equipment. Price range, $22,000 to $26,000. The Volkswagen Polo is available with a 1.0-liter TSI engine and digital climate control options. I find this car inefficient but suggest that the optional ones can be purchased. The Volkswagen Polo's 1.0-liter TSI engine provides sufficient power for city driving. Digital climate control enhances driving comfort, offering a more comfortable interior. The weak market for the Polo makes its price more economical. Purchasing the optional ones increases the car's equipment and comfort features, offering a better driving experience. The inefficiency of the 1.0-liter engine can increase fuel consumption. However, purchasing the optional ones can improve the car's overall performance and comfort. Price range, $18,000 to $21,000. The Toyota Yaris is available with a 1.5-liter engine and style equipment package. I find this car advantageous because it is still sold and has the style equipment package. The Toyota Yaris's 1.5-liter engine provides sufficient power for city and highway driving. The style equipment package adds extra comfort and style to the car's interior and exterior. The fact that it is still sold and has the style equipment package indicates that the car is equipped with the latest technologies and equipment. Installing LPG on the 1.4 automatic engine option by sacrificing performance can reduce fuel costs, making it an economical choice. The efficiency of the 1.5-liter engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. Price range, $19,000 to $22,000. The Renault Kadjar is available with a 1.5-liter diesel engine option. I find this car purchasable with around 90,000 miles in a good car. The Renault Kadjar's 1.5-liter diesel engine provides sufficient power and torque for long trips. Purchasing this car with around 90,000 miles makes it a more economical option compared to low-mileage models. The fact that the Kadjar is a sibling of the Nissan Qashqai indicates that it is equipped with similar technologies and equipment. The efficiency of the 1.5-liter diesel engine reduces fuel consumption, making it an economical choice. The Renault Kadjar is known for its comfortable ride. Price range, $20,000 to $23,000. The Nissan Qashqai is available with a 1.6-liter diesel engine and CVT transmission options. I suggest that this car may have mileage and transmission issues. The Nissan Qashqai's 1.6-liter diesel engine provides sufficient power and torque for long trips. The CVT transmission enhances driving comfort, offering a smoother ride. However, this transmission type may have mileage and maintenance issues. Preferring the Kadjar due to its more efficient engine provides advantages in terms of fuel consumption and maintenance costs. The Nissan Qashqai may have mileage and transmission issues, so caution is advised. Price range, $21,000 to $24,000. Friends, today I told you about the best cars you can buy with a $30,000 budget. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can share your thoughts by leaving a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.